Welcome to the informative OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration section. Then you will see here the ringtone volume panel, and just to unmute your device ringtone, you should hold and swipe to the right side this dot. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first in advanced settings and in volume button function, be sure that you have selected ringtone volume, not the media one. And now just by press to the up volume button on the left side of your phone, you can also unmute your device ringtone. And we can make it by the third way, just by swipe to the up with our finger this volume panel here. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.